First thing we're going to do is open up a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, etc. In the address bar, we're going to type usa.canon.com. When Canon's webpage loads, we will go to the top right and click on the drivers and downloads link. In the middle of the page here, we'll have a search bar. We'll click into the search bar there and type our model of machine that we will install for. For example, I will type 58. And as you see, a drop down will list all the appropriate Canon models. Once you see your model listed, you go ahead and click on it, and that will load the model specific page. In the model page here, we're going to click on the drivers and downloads button, which will take us down to the drivers and downloads section here. We're going to want to go with the top recommended driver here, the generic plus UFR2 for most circumstances. We'll select the select button there. That'll give us a little bit more information, and then we'll press the download button. Depending on your browser, things may look a little bit different to you on your end here. You'll most likely get some instructions here telling you how to access your download for the browser that you're using. You can read through those. In Chrome, our downloads will pop up here at the bottom. You can click on this arrow key and we'll select Open. This opens up File to Extract. We're going to extract this to our Downloads folder here. We'll just click on Extract, and it will begin extracting to the appropriate folder. And we told it to go to our Downloads folder, so we'll open up File Explorer, and we can see we have our Downloads folder here in the Quick Access portion. And there we see at the top the generic plus UFR2. This is the zipped folder. We're going to go and look for the extracted folder, which is down here at the bottom. So you can double click to open that. Then you see here we have a setup with a type application. We're going to want to double click that to open the setup. At this point, it's going to open a user account control window. Windows is just wanting to get your permission to allow Canon to make changes to the hard drive. We're going to select yes, and that will open the driver setup window. In this first box here, we'll just go ahead and click next. This is the license agreement. You can read through this. It's Canon's standard license software agreement. We'll click yes to agree to the software. Here, you can go two routes here. The best route is to select custom and install this with the IP address. You can use standard and search for printers on your network if you, for some reason, aren't able to get the IP using the instructions in our other video. We recommend to go with custom here and then select next. In this window here, we're just going to go ahead and select next as well, and next one more time. Now in this window here, we're going to want to come down to where you see port, and there's a drop down here. Right below that, we're going to the Add Port button. In the Add Port section, we're going to select Standard TCP IP port and select OK. This will open your TCP IP port wizard. We'll select Next. Here's where we'll enter our IP address that we got earlier for our machine. This will populate into both fields as you type in the top there. And we'll click next and finish. Now you should see your new port that you created here, your generic plus driver, and then we'll come down and press the next button. And then we'll press start. Once your computer has installed the driver, you're going to want to restart your computer.